Yeah, that's Alanza floor. We're on the Tower 5.
Walang ganung explore.
Kaya
nagtaka siya. Pero hindi pa natin siya. That's the...
Wow, we're here again! Pakilan na natin to. Fourth na ata.
Ano?
Freya! You play with your friend?
Get out that first.
Wow.
What's this? A high chair.
Be careful here, ah.
Oops.
Wow. It's foggy. Wow, there's a Taal view. Oh, be careful, ha.
Wow.
Wow, be careful. Don't. Wow, it's the best view. Hi, say hi, Kian.
Hi, nom. Hello, guys. Mamaya. Magpunta natin sa next morning.
Yep.
Oh, I guess.
You can eat that, Kuya. The food in the table, oh. Which one do you want? Just get it there.
Cheeky.
Yan yung mga food dyan, oh, sa table, oh. It's free daw. Complimentary. With water po, oh.
Sip. Can I drink water?
Tingnan mo. Maganda ng view.
I hear his pulse. Heartbeat's normal. But he has a slight fever.
Pakanan ata.
Let's call 911.
Yan, oh. Diba? Ang ganda.
I have an idea.
Yes! Ang ganda, diba? Mahamog nga lang. Ayan, oh. Sarap dito mamaya, oh. Panalo, oh. Galing, libre lang.
Not even possible. Please help me. Hey, Billy, get over here. I think I have the boy's location. Will do.
50 inches yan, ano? Ang laki ng TV. Ganito yung 50. Ayan, meron.
I guess a short text wouldn't hurt.
Yung classic na bala, no? Battle City gusto ko. Meron kaya yung ano dyan, Bomberman. Tsaka... No, you can't go there. It's dangerous. You can only go there if with mom and dad. Naku, grabe na yung ano, hamog.
So far away. I'll see you there.
ran out.
We made it.
Wow, look at the view. It's so nice.
I'm gonna open the window. You want?
Don't open the window.
I can open.
Ganyan lang.
Ranger Special Training Camp has officially
Here's the night vibe.
It's fine. Just walk slowly. Let's go home and eat.
Ang lamig. Here's the night vibe. City lights.
I've never been in a committed relationship with my first boyfriend.
Good morning, Tagaytay. The Taal volcano is here. Wow! Tower 4 sa kabila na.
Unlike sa tower.
Little rabbit, where are you? See you. Little rabbit, where are you?
Miss Rabbit, what's going on?
Sheriff Labrador, my child is missing. Please help me find her.
Ngayon ay Saturday.
Let's go home.
Saan tayo dyan?
Jollibee McDo.